big pieces of bread.
Making dinner. This is my dinner.
But they'd be two across from each other, so it won't be as thick.
Can I not have any cheese? I'll just have the toast. Because I like the toast. Butter toast.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mom. Sorry for making it so hard.
No, it's fine.
What are we going to be doing dinner time? Adam, the thing's filming.
So.
Dinner time and this. It's a little bright.
Oh crap. Someone tried to shoot it. Can't do this, can't do this, can't do this, boy. Sucker. Nothing.
Sucker. Shank him.
I'll shake it. Oh crap, oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh crap, it's very dead. Oh crap! Whoa. Oh crap, oh crap. Damn. Anyone there? Oh my god, it's a glitch. Look, zoom, zoom. Oh my god.
You can always zoom.
What?
You can always zoom.
No, look. It just like goes in really quick and goes back.
There's a glitch.
A glitch. I found a glitch in the game.
Oh god, jalapenos.
Oh my god, they're not even that bad. Oh god, how'd you see
Give me stomach.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, sucker.
You want a grilled cheese before you go? Thank you.
I don't know the glass. It's sharp. Where you go? I go your dear. Jordan! Oh crap! I shot him in the head too. But you didn't die. I think he's handcuffed. Oh crap!
Audience.
There's no good sniping points. Oh crap! I hit him in the head too. Back to this gun.
One or two.
It doesn't tell me so.
Well, I'm making Adam one, so one's fine. Well, no, I mean two. I can do two. It's not going to take that long.
This isn't the best. Actually, no. Mine is the best group in the
Hey,
world.
Lawrence, go home.
Huh? I know.
Oh, man. Just kidding me. Oh, quit. I did it. I think I put it too high. But they're all normal. I don't know why I'm dying. Maybe I'm just not good. That's weird. They're happy. I'm good. I'm the best. I'm just gonna hide in the corner. Because that's how you do it.
That's how we do it.
Gamer style. There's like no good sniping points. No matter what, you cannot find a good sniper point.
Not much talking in this video.
What?
We're just talking to myself, saying there's not much talking in this video.
Okay, I think this is going to be the best sniper point because there's multiple things to do it from. I just need to...
I've been there before.
Oh, crap.
Make 3 quarters.
Oh, crap. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. You killed him. You killed him. Kill him. Oh, crap. 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 Why'd you throw a grenade?
Oh news on me soon, but thanks for watching.